Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the job safe. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait at least 2 minutes so the ECU loses power. Once done, raise the car on ramps or stands, block the wheels, and set the parking brake so nothing shifts. Then remove the engine cover and find the crankshaft position sensor at the bell housing area. You will see its electrical connector. Unplug that connector now and use a 10 mm or appropriate socket to loosen the mounting bolt so the sensor can be. With the bolt removed, pull the sensor straight out while noting its orientation and any O-ring or spacer. This matters for timing signal position. Compare the old unit to the new one. Match connector shape, sensing tip length, and mounting hole alignment so you don't introduce an offset. Clean the sensor bore and mating surface with a lint-free rag. If the O-ring is damaged, replace it. Once clean, lightly grease the O-ring to ease installation and prevent tearing when you seat the new sensor. Install the new sensor by aligning it in the bore and hand-threading the mounting bolt so nothing cross-threads. Then torque it to the factory range. Hand start first, then final torque. Reconnect the electrical connector and reinstall any covers, lower the vehicle, and reconnect the battery. Clear stored codes with a scanner and start the engine. Once running, take a short test drive while watching RPM stability. If the check engine light returns or you see misfires, inspect the wiring harness and connector for corrosion or a loose ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.